Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another episode of Clean 8-Bit. If you've been following the channel, you know I've been flipping a few gaming PCs on Facebook Marketplace for profit. Well, for one of those builds, I ended up using the case and power supply from my main rig, so now it's time for an upgrade. Luckily, I scored a killer deal. I picked up a Lian Li 011 Air Mini case, an EVGA G5 850 watt power supply, a full CableMod kit, two 140mm Lian Li Unifans, the TL ones, two 120mm TL LCD fans, and three 120mm TL fans, all with fan controller, for just 200 bucks. So in today's video, I will be rebuilding my main gaming PC using a mix of these new parts and some of my old ones. Let's get started. Well, there you have it. This is the final look of my main rig. I gotta say that working on this case was a pleasure. I don't think I've ever worked with a premium case such as this one. And before I used to think that these Lian Li fans were just overpriced. However, I now think that they are really worth the price. They have a really nice heft to them. You can feel the quality on the weight. And not to mention that the RGB lighting on them is just phenomenal. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to clean 8-bit.